Looking ahead, the Senate Judiciary Committee will vote on Supreme Court pick Ketanji Brown Jackson on Monday, and then the full Senate will vote later in the week.
Now, Judge Jackson would be the first black woman to serve on the Supreme Court. Last week during confirmation hearings, she repeatedly described herself as impartial.
I don't think that anyone can look at my record and say that it is pointing in one direction or another.
Now, since those confirmation hearings, Judge Jackson has still been meeting privately with U.S. senators, both Republican and Democrat.
And Democratic Senator John Hickenlooper is one of them. And News 5's Ashley Portillo joining us in the studio to tell us what the senator from Colorado has to say about Judge Jackson. Ashley?
Guys, good morning. So after meeting with Judge Jackson, Senator Hickenlooper says he will vote for her confirmation. Now, here are some of the photos of the two meeting yesterday in Washington, D.C. Hickenlooper says Jackson will add a much-needed voice and perspective to the other justices, and he's thrilled to help put her on the Supreme Court. He says history is being made with her nomination, and it is reflective of the country.
Judge Jackson's nomination is not just historic, it's inspiring. She has a brilliant legal mind and has spent her entire career focused on public service. Having worked in the trenches of our justice system as a trial judge and a public defender, she understands how it affects real people.
So both Colorado senators have shown their support for Jackson's nomination. Democratic Senator Michael Bennet met with Jackson last week. He says after meeting with her and discussing her extensive career, he has full confidence that Judge Jackson has the experience as well as the commitment to serve on the U.S. Supreme Court. And meanwhile, Democrats can confirm Jackson's nomination to the Supreme Court without Republican support. That is, if every Democrat votes yes. And right now, that appears to be the direction things are heading in. Guys.
Thank you, Ashley. Republican senators do say, though, that Jackson's record shows that she is too soft on crime.
During last week's hearings, they pointed to cases where Judge Jackson handed down sentences for child pornography offenders that were shorter than what prosecutors or federal guidelines recommended. Republicans also pressed her on cultural issues like transgender rights.
Can you provide a definition for the word woman?
Can I provide a definition? No,
Yeah.
I can't.
You can't?
Not in this context.
So you
I'm not a
believe the meaning
biologist.
of the-
If there's a dispute about a definition, people make arguments, and I look at the
All right.
law and I decide.
If Jackson secures a confirmation vote, the Supreme Court will still have a 6-3 conservative majority.
6:17 now.